Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So today is a good day. These paddle shifters just arrived from Taiwan. I have sprayed them, so don't worry about any of that nonsense. They're going to look massive behind there. So today's going to be a how-to video of how to fit them. So let's just get straight into it. So first things first, you want to get a 10mm socket and just disconnect one of the poles of your battery. So it's pretty straightforward. And as soon as your battery is disconnected, you want to get a flathead screwdriver, and there is a little hole, well, two holes either side of the steering wheel. All you got to do is push, and then that is literally that simple then. And then this side is out, and then you just repeat the same step for the other side. So these two clips here, I literally just got my flat screwdriver in here, popped them up on both sides, and then all you got to do is unplug them and the airbag is off. Right, so this is the bit where it gets slightly technical. These are the parts that you're going to end up with. Little ball bearing, the pin and the screw. And you don't want to lose any of those, otherwise it might be a ball ache to source parts. So this one I'll film pulling apart so you guys know exactly what to do and what to expect when you open it up.
J.craft.
There's the new ones next to the old ones. Yeah, these look so much better. And now it's just a case of building up everything back to what you took off. And when you've got your new shifters fitted, you just basically attach them, reattach them back to the steering wheel. So there you go guys, that's the how-to video of how to fit extended paddle shifters. It's literally that simple. Follow their step-by-step guide and you can't really go wrong. Peace out guys, see you in the next one.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print. I got a lot of songs, where the fuck is your head? It goes for anyone that ever doubted the kid. I ain't got a huge circle, I've been good on my own. Working Working non-stop on our airplane mode. I ain't taking no calls unless I call you first. Grind mode, stack dough till I'm dead in the hearse, yeah.